If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Many people must insert or delete worksheets in a workbook when using Excel. To insert a single new worksheet to the right of the currently selected worksheet, click the New Sheet button at the right end of the spreadsheet name tabs. Alternatively, you can also click the Insert drop-down button in the Cells button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the Insert Sheet command from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you could also press the keyboard shortcut of Shift plus F11 on your keyboard to automatically insert a new worksheet. If using these last two methods, however, note that the new worksheets are always inserted to the left of the active worksheet, whose name appears in color and bolded when the sheet is inserted. Deleting worksheets you no longer use helps reduce worksheet clutter in workbooks. To delete worksheets in Excel, select the Worksheet name tabs of the sheet or the sheets to delete. Then, click the Delete drop-down button in the Cells button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the Delete Sheet command in the Buttons drop-down menu to delete the selected worksheets. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.